Ladies and gentlemen, we nailed another bottom level on Tesla stock. We successfully identified the $165 as a main support line for Tesla, and this key point did work as we expected, as we see now a powerful bullish reaction today. In my humble opinion, we did a very competent job here, and for many technical reasons, this movement indicates that Tesla stock is about to finally explode again. So in this video, we'll see what's next for us, what are the next key points to work with, and of course, what could possibly go wrong here, because no one is 100% right 100% of the time, so we gotta work with intelligence, with strategy. And this is what we're gonna talk about in this video. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, so let's start our analysis looking at the daily chart. Let's start looking at the daily chart mid-term speaking. Mid-term speaking, Tesla is looking quite interesting because we are following the pattern of making higher highs, higher lows, right? This is a classic bullish structure. Yesterday, we did a bottom signal just above a very strong resistance line. I'm so sorry, support line, not resistance. A very strong support line at 165 over here, which we are going to talk about in details when we analyze the hourly chart. Right now, keep in mind, we did a bottom signal above a support line. That's a classic signal that, okay, Tesla is about to reverse. What was missing over here? What was missing is the fact that we had yet to break this candle's high along with the 21 EMA. Tesla broke both key points today, indicating that it is going to seek the next resistance line, which is at 177. By breaking the 177, Tesla is going to resume the bullish bias. It is going to resume the pattern of higher highs, higher lows, and probably it is going to also reverse the sentiment on the weekly chart, which we will also discuss in this video. But first, let's look at the hourly chart over here. On the 1 hour chart, we see why the 165 area was so important, right? This key point did consistently work as a support and resistance level in the past, and yesterday we just hit this key point only to perform a very strong bullish candlestick pattern over here, triggering in sequence a bullish pivot point, a higher high, higher low right now. So Tesla is right now looking bullish on the 1 hour chart. In addition to this, it feels like Tesla triggered a possible double bottom chart pattern over here, right? We did this double bottom chart pattern, we bounced it, and then we did a pullback, which is totally normal and expected. However, this pullback materialized a bottom above the previous support level over here, indicating that the bullish momentum was about to continue. Today, we broke the 169.51, which was the previous top level, which was a crystal clear bullish pivot point, indicating that right now the trend just reversed. Now, what to expect now? Well, we don't see a crystal clear top signal on Tesla. Even if we do, a pullback to the 21 EMA is totally plausible, it is totally acceptable. We could even retest the 169 area again, and this is it. The trend is bullish. Any pullback would be just an opportunity to buy at a lower price level. Now, keep in mind that I detailed all these key points on our newsletter yesterday, so if you want to keep in touch with premium analysis and insights on Tesla and on other stocks, take a look at my website. The link is in the description of this video. There are plenty of extremely valuable information over there, so I think you guys are going to appreciate what I have to offer. The link to my website is in the description of this video. Now, so okay, we did trigger this bullish pivot point. We did a lower high, lower low. We are above the 21 EMA on the 1 hour chart. We did a double bottom chart pattern above the 165. On the daily chart, we broke yesterday's high, we broke the 21 EMA as well, indicating that we are supposed to retest the 177. What could possibly go wrong over here? Keep in mind that right now Tesla is in bullish territory. In order for Tesla to frustrate this bullish thesis that I'm building here with you guys, Tesla must trigger a crystal clear bearish structure. So far, we don't see even a top signal on the 1 hour chart. So there is not a single bearish signal around. If we see Tesla doing a pullback to the 169 is totally plausible and acceptable, would be just an opportunity to buy at a lower price level with a good risk-reward ratio, but so far there is no bearish structure. Nathan, what do you mean with bearish structure? Just as a bullish structure is a lower high, higher high, higher low, a bearish structure would be if Tesla performs a lower high, lower low, losing the previous support level over here, preferably the 169 area. If Tesla starts doing this, then okay, we're gonna see a bearish reversal structure on the 1 hour chart, possibly a top signal on the daily chart, indicating that this movement might be just a dead cat bounce indeed. If we lose 165, that's going to be the most problematic key point for Tesla, because by losing 165, Tesla is going to totally frustrate the bullish thesis on the daily chart, on the midterm, indicating that yes, Tesla is not going anywhere right now. Maybe we could even drop to lower levels, maybe of course to fill the gap at 146. So let's keep our eyes open, because any bearish structure could potentially frustrate this bullish thesis. Since Tesla is on early stages of reversal, there is a decent chance that this movement is still too fragile, it is still too vulnerable to any bad catalyst that could appear right now. But so far, okay, so far Tesla is just looking good. Now, on the weekly chart, wait. Let's analyze the indices over here. This is why Tesla is not gonna go down that easily, because the indices are clearly bullish. When we look at the S&P over here, the S&P is doing a fantastic bullish candlestick pattern above the 21 EMA. So we are still clearly bullish, alright? We have yet to see a lower high, lower low. We don't see any meaningful bearish structure on the S&P. We are just doing a powerful bullish candlestick today. Only if the S&P rejects this bullish candlestick entirely, losing the 21 EMA again, we could see potentially a sharper pullback on the indices, and this is going to drag Tesla down along with the broad market. But as long as we see the index looking like this, there is no bearish thesis is going to materialize. The Nasdaq index, which was in a more complicated situation, is clearly bullish. It is just flying. We are far away from the 21 EMA, almost almost reaching our next technical resistance, which is 13.7K, the previous top level from August 2022. The Dow Jones Index is clearly doing another powerful bullish reaction, which could be seen as a possible double bottom chart pattern. Above this support level, we are on the verge of reversing. By breaking the 21 EMA, I think this is going to confirm a bullish rally to higher levels, probably to the 34K again. All of these movements reinforce a bullish thesis on Tesla stock, and this is why it is not going to be easy for Tesla to actually frustrate this bullish sentiment. If we lose the 165K, okay, 65K, I'm so sorry, the $165, then okay, maybe we're going to drop to the 154 to fill the gap at 146. All that I know right now is that Tesla triggered a bottom signal, which was a clear buy signal, amazing buy signal, because the risk-reward ratio was amazing. Even if this goes absolutely wrong, totally wrong, and we lose the 165, okay, it was worth the shot because the risk was very low, the stop loss was right here, and the potential upside is very, very good. If we take a look at the weekly chart over here, on the weekly chart, we see that Tesla is respecting the support at 164, around 164, this red line over here. I was afraid that we were going to retest this purple trend line down here, but okay, we are respecting the 164, great. In theory, we could easily retest the upper purple trend line over here, and then, I don't know, maybe Tesla is going to do a top signal over here, maybe not, maybe we are going to break this descending channel upwards, indicating, triggering an absolutely strong bullish reversal structure on the weekly chart. But all that I know is that so far, Tesla is supposed to go up. Maybe long-term speaking to this purple trend line, but honestly, I would aim at the 177 first because this purple line over here on the daily chart is our most important resistance level mid-term speaking. So let's keep our eyes open at the 177 area. This is the most important key point right now. You know what else is important? To follow me on Instagram, because I'm posting exclusive, important stuff over there. I think you guys are going to like what I'm sharing right there. And of course, subscribe to this channel if you are not my subscriber yet, because every single day I will keep you guys updated on Tesla's price action. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Bye bye.